Get ready, guys, for miscellaneous dictation at the speed of 80 words per minute. Be ready, dictation will start anytime. Start.
The first respondent was in possession of land to the extent of 11.4 bighas in Khasra number 982, 984, 989 and 990 in village Jhakri, Tehsil Rampur district Shimla stop. According to the first respondent, he had purchased the said land from one Rajkumar Rajinder Singh, who was the original owner on 21/8/1965 shop. There was a dispute between the said Rajkumar Rajendra Singh and the state government as to whether certain large of land, including the land in question, had vested in the state government under the provisions of the Himachal Pradesh Abolition of Big Landed Estates Act and Land Reforms Act 1953, which came into effect on 26/1/1955 stop. During the pendency of that dispute, the first respondent claimed that he had been issued a patta and given possession on 21/8/1966 shop. According to the first respondent, although a sale deed patta was executed, it could not be registered since there was prohibition against registration of documents during that period. Stop. The patta itself recited if for some reason the land vests in the state government in their eventuality, the above mentioned persons, that is, respondents herein, will pay the compensation to the government of Himachal Pradesh. Stop. Hence, this is written so that it is handy at the right time. Stop. The issue as to whether the land in question had vested in the state government by reason of section 27 of the Acts V of 1954 was settled by this court by its judgment dated September 17, 1969 in civil appeal numbers 1186 to 1191 of 1966, by which this court held that the vesting under subsection 1 of section 27 takes place immediately on the commencement of the act, that thereafter under subsection 3 compensation had to be paid to the landowner in accordance with provisions mentioned therein, and that under subsection 4 the state government shall transfer the rights of ownership to a tenant in possession and cultivating the land only on payment of compensation. Stop. Since certain other questions had not been decided by the High Court, the appeals were allowed and the decision of the Judicial Commissioner was set aside and the case was remanded to the High Court for decision on the other questions which had not been decided. Stop. On 5/3/1998, a notification was issued under Section 4 bracket 1 of the Land Acquisition Act by which the land in question was sought to be acquired. Stop.
Thanks all of you. Now go for typing.